Ahoy, writers, and welcome aboard the Writers Workshop. My name is Ronnie Rowland, and I'm going to be your writing instructor. I'm looking for some stout-hearted pirates and swashbucklers to go on an adventure, but first, I'd like to give you a quick introduction to the workshop resources. See you inside! Hey, writers! Welcome inside the Pirate Adventure Workshop. Right now, we are in the Stream section of the class, and it's the first thing you'll see after entering. It shows you all the latest lessons that have been loaded, but to really see the details, let's click on Classwork and go inside. Right now, we are looking at the video that's inside the How the Workshop Works topic. The Pirate Adventure Workshop is divided into 4 short lessons. Please do them in order, beginning at the top with Lesson 1. The 4 lessons are meant to be spread out over 4 weeks. This gives you lots of time to brainstorm and develop and imagine your ideas. So work slowly. Give yourself time to really dive into each lesson and create a character, a setting, and a story that you're really excited to write about. Now, Lesson 1 is a fun warm-up where we're going to find out our pirate names, as well as other fun activities. And I'm going to open up the slides in that lesson in a moment so that you know how to participate in the workshop and you can see the resources that are available to you. Next is Lesson 2, where we're going to brainstorm different types of pirate characters, and then you'll have a chance to create your very own. In Lesson 3, we will be creating a treasure map, which will help you develop the setting and different locations for your pirate adventure. And then last, in Lesson 4, we'll use the character and the setting that we've created and think about different plots for the story. Now, let's go back to Lesson 1. We'll click on this assignment, and I'll take you through the different resources inside. I'll see you there. Hi, and welcome to the Lesson 1 warm-up. Now, since this is the very beginning of the entire Pirate Adventure Workshop, this first page is a workshop welcome. You may notice this speaker in the lower right corner of the page, and when you click on it, the player control will pop open, and when you click on that, welcome to the Writers Workshop. Ahoy, mateys! The theme of this writing workshop is Pirate Adventure. So as you can see, when you click on a yellow speaker, I will read everything that appears on that page. And every single slide of every lesson has a yellow speaker. So if you need some help figuring out a word or anything on the page, just click on the yellow speaker and then read along with me. This second page is a fun introductory video that kicks off your pirate adventure, so definitely check it out. Now, every lesson has a cover page that shows you the lesson topic that you're in. So here we go in Lesson 1, Talk and Write Like a Pirate. Every lesson also includes a lesson objectives page, and this will show you what kinds of skills that we will be learning together. Now here's the first activity page for Lesson 1, and as you can see, we've got a lot of things to do. Over here, first of all, is your yellow speaker, so if you click on it, I will read all of the words in the list. Now also, you'll see blue speakers, and blue speakers will give you important instructions or fun ideas to do related to the page. This page, the instruction is quite simple. Click on the triangle to view the video. Sometimes it takes a few moments to load. Okay, and as you can see, I've got a small instructional video here. It's smaller than this video, which takes up the entire page. Now here, to make it easier for you to see, once you click on it, and the video starts to load, you can click on the frame right here and it will pop open to the full screen. and it will make it easier for you to see all of the content. After you've finished watching the video, click in that same spot, and it will shrink back down to the smaller size so that you can then begin to do your own work on this page. Another feature of some of the slides are interactive objects. For example, these circles are clickable and draggable. So after you've watched the video and found out what your first name as a pirate is, maybe it's Baggy Pants, you can click and drag the circle over it. I've also given you a few extras in case there are other words that you'd like to include in your writing later. All right, now let's skip down to the last page of this lesson where you'll be able to do something a little bit different. We've got text boxes here that you can answer the questions. So if you were a pirate, what would you say? One of my favorites, of course, is "Shiver me timbers." And that cat has got a bit of a pirate attitude. So it may say, "Get me some grub. Grab me some food." Okay, now it's your turn to have fun with lesson 1, and I can't wait to see what you dream up. Happy writing!